Hello everyone, welcome to Students Point. This is 2nd of December and we are going to see all of the important questions for the day. So pay your attention till the end. And to get PDF of all these videos, you can join us on Telegram by writing the channel's name, Students Point. You can also follow us on Instagram by writing the username, The Students Point. And if you are finding this video useful, then don't forget to like the video and do share the video with your friends and loved ones. Also don't forget to press the subscribe button and the bell icon to receive the notification at the earliest so that you never miss any opportunity to learn and grow every day. Now here is the question for the day and everyone has to answer this question in the comment section. The question is, the Hayabusa 2 spacecraft recently in news belongs to? These are the options. Read the options carefully and then answer it. Let's begin now the first question. World AIDS Day is observed on? So it is observed on 1st of December. So here B is the right answer. The theme for this year is Global Solidarity Resilient HIV Services. And AIDS is an infection caused by human immunodeficiency virus. It damages the human immune system. Next question now. How many members are there in Shanghai Cooperation Organization? So there are total 8 members in SCO. These 8 members include Kazakhstan, China, Kyrgyzstan, Russia, Tajikistan, Uzbekistan, India and Pakistan. These 3 countries, Uzbekistan, India and Pakistan, joined later on, while initially it had only 5 members, which included Kazakhstan, China, Kyrgyzstan, Russia and Tajikistan. These were called as Shanghai 5. And observer status, it has been given to Afghanistan, Belarus, Iran and Mongolia. And its dialogue partners include Azerbaijan, Armenia, Cambodia, Nepal, Turkey and Sri Lanka. I repeat it once again. Its dialogue partners include Azerbaijan, Armenia, Cambodia, Nepal, Turkey and Sri Lanka, while its observer member includes Afghanistan, Belarus, Iran and Mongolia. SCO is an Eurasian political, economic, military organization. It aims to maintain peace, security and stability in the region. It was created in 2001. Why it was in news? Because Vice President of India has launched recently the first ever SCO online exhibition on shared Buddhist heritage. The launch happened during the 19th meeting of Shanghai Cooperation Organization Council of Head of Government in New Delhi. Next question now. National Pollution Control Day is observed on? So it is observed on 2nd of December. So here A is the right answer. The day is observed in the memory of people who lost their lives in the Bhopal gas tragedy. Next question now. Consider the following statements about UP Unlawful Religious Conversion Prohibition Ordinance 2020. Let's see. It makes religious conversion for marriage a non-bailable offense. This is correct. So any conversion of religion for sole purpose of marriage will be considered to be non-bailable offense, and the notice period to the district magistrate for the religious conversion is 2 months. This is also correct. So now it will be required to submit a notification or notice to the district magistrate 2 months before. So here both of these options are correct. So C is the right answer. It makes religious conversion for marriage a non-bailable offense, and the onus will be on the defendant to prove that the conversion was not for marriage. And in case of conversion done by a woman for the sole purpose of marriage, the marriage would be declared null and void. And the violation of provisions of the law would invite a jail term of not less than 1 year, and it can be extended up to 5 years. So minimum term will be for 1 year, and at max it can be extended to 5 years, and even fine of rupees 15,000 can be imposed. Also, if a minor woman or a woman from scheduled caste or scheduled tribes converts, the jail term would extend for a minimum period of 3 years, and it can be extended even up to 10 years. So even 10 years of imprisonment can be provided if a minor woman or a woman belonging to SC or scheduled tribes converts to other religion. Also, the ordinance lays down a strict action against those social organizations which conducts mass conversions, and their registration can be cancelled and they can be imposed fine of up to rupees 50,000. Also, jail term of not less than 3 years, and this can be extended even up to 10 years. Next question now. What is the IUCN status of peacock soft-sailed turtle? So its IUCN status is vulnerable. So here A is the right answer. See, I have listed these options in list of increasing order or increase in threat levels. So any species, if categorized into vulnerable category, it is less threatened than those species if it is categorized in endangered. Species categorized in endangered species are less threatened than those which are categorized into critically endangered. And likewise, those categorized into extinct in the wild are more threatened than those categorized in critically endangered. And this species is confined to India, Bangladesh and Pakistan. In India, it is widespread in northern and the central part of Indian subcontinent, and these are found mainly in rivers, streams, lakes, ponds with mud or sand bottoms. And it is highly exploited for its meat and calipi. This is the green color for which it has been named as such. Next question now. Duare Sarkar program has been launched by. So this, if you know even a little bit, you have idea of Bengali language, then you must be aware that Duare Sarkar, it is language similar to Bengali. So this program has been launched by West Bengal government. So here C is right answer. This program was launched by West Bengal government to extend the government services directly to the doorstep of the people. Next question now. Arundoi scheme is related to, so it is related to the state of Assam. So here D is the right answer. What will happen under this scheme? Under this scheme, state government aims to empower women by transferring a minimum amount of rupees 830 each month directly to the bank accounts of nominated female head of the household. Next question now. Which city topped in the US Air Quality Index? So it is Lahore. Lahore has been named the most polluted city in the US Air Quality Index. Lahore is followed by New Delhi and it is followed by Kathmandu. So at first is Lahore, at second it is New Delhi, at third it is Kathmandu of Nepal. The particulate matter of Lahore was 423. The particulate matter of New Delhi was 229, and for Kathmandu it was 178. And if you have found the video useful till now, do like the video and do share the video with your friends and loved ones. Next question now. C32 LS2 in news recently is a or an? So it is a cryogenic engine. So here C is right answer. This tank is a developmental cryogenic propellant tank of aluminium alloy. It has been designed for improving the payload capacity of GSLV Mk3 launch vehicle of ISRO. This tank has been designed by Hindustan Aeronautics Limited. It can carry payload of 5,755 kg of propellant fuel in 89 cubic meter volume. Next question, very important again. Which is the first in the country to obtain organic certification for kiwi under Mission Organic Value Chain Development for Northeastern Region? So it is the state of Arunachal Pradesh. None of the states are given here from northeastern states, so automatically, even if you read the options carefully, then automatically you can mark the answer correctly. Here D is right answer, but in exam they will not give the options so much easy. They will quite obviously give the options from northeastern states only. So here D is right answer, Arunachal Pradesh. This is how this kiwi looks like. This kiwi that grow wild in Arunachal Pradesh Zero Valley are the only certified organic food of their kind in the country. Kiwis of Zero Valley located in Lower Subansiri district were certified as organic. So I hope you find the video useful. Do like and do share the video. Subscribe and press the bell icon. We will meet again in the next video. Until then, stay safe and thanks for watching.